Hi, let's make some mackerel stew. If you are a lover of mackerel, then this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel. This is hairstyle tutorial and cooking. Intine ene yeba simple mackerel stew we say. Ni ye enye din kra. So we start by adding our oil to the pot. You better try a slice onion na ye di agum ni achiso. You better be se sima be mienu ene ne miensa so na ama no ayi hwehwehwam. Here I have my marinated sauce. I'm going to add some for the base. It's so nice. If you want a video of this one, drop the comment and I will bring the video to you. Ya chimu emano eya kakra. Ya di yen fresh chopped tomatoes and so ebegu yen stew base nim. Na yen numu kakra. Ni eje esisi kosi se. Oil na ebabasro ama in toast na abne kama. Sa wakame hu edru aha say dia. Mestra se sa won subscribe ya obe subscribe. Obe like na wa share. Na fe so ama me comment our comment section ho. So here I am adding my salt to taste. You can use any spices of your choice to this recipe. For me, I like using only the natural spices, the one I use for the base. And here we are adding the mackerel. This is a homemade mackerel I made with my air fryer. Into see the gum area say dia. Nancy and stew no ye ankasa. It is so simple and quick. Ye be jai amano esi so kakra. Ekosi say ebe releasing the juice ni na egu so way ama na flavorful enti na aya no wasusu ama eja no akosro enti no eno ano no afa ebe gana hye kakra with our onion, sliced onion necessary yen wie your recipe no anesa. I hope so oba try our recipe way. Let me know in the comment section dear oba pair with this recipe. Me say na aye de papa obetumi e de bibia baidre emo kokwa ya noa de ya che bibia obetumi edi enti no mami hu de wonso odibedi e comment section hono. If you are still with me to this far, kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed. Like, share, and also give a comment if you have any comments on this recipe. This helps push the video in the YouTube algorithm and it encourages me so much. So, yeah, we know. Nese, sevia ni ebe sevi, intime noa emo, aye di potato afra, edi kosia eto enche. Uye kosia lava, you can also add it. Peso you can skip it. Nese, ye sevi yeno, na ede ankasa. Sa oshe enia, utimi ehu se ebe ye de pa. Intino, mami ehu o comment section na se. Send ye usi ehu was our recipe we say ho. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching to this end. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Will you try this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. May the Lord bless you and may he keep you. May his face shine upon you and may he give you peace and understanding. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye.